Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Pro Trending. They're looking for a social media content creator. It pays $40 an hour. We are the premier destination with over 1 million monthly viewers where sports and fashion collide. This is an opportunity for you to dive into sports and fashion content. We're looking for someone to learn and grow with the fast-paced business of sports and fashion. If you have what it takes to bring sports fashion to the masses, do apply and join an exciting team. We're seeking content creators to create posts, reels, stories on our social media channels and website. We cover everything when it comes to fashion and your favorite pro athletes. You'll work hand in hand with the creative director and our director, both social media and website graphics that tell the story of some of the biggest names in sports. If you're someone that enjoys the freedom of working from home, creating cool content that gets seen by around the world every day, and wants to be part of a dynamic sports fashion brand, the time is now. What you'll do, create content that matches our audience, including posts, reels, videos, manage TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Turn images into visually appealing and attention-grabbing graphics. Turn videos into short creative content for our social media pages. Create advertisement graphics. Have a hand in developing the identity of Pro Trending through its visual style. What you'll need: proficiency in photo, video editing software, ability to work in a fast-paced environment and execute quality work, ability to work in a team. A passion for sports and fashion is a huge plus. Please include your portfolio or examples of your work. If you're looking to position yourself for postgraduate opportunities or are a recent graduate looking to showcase his talent, Pro Trending is for you. Promotions and larger opportunities available as you achieve and exhibit solid consistency with assignments. This job will provide a hands-on opportunity to work with creative directors and brand strategists on the pulse of a trend-setting startup. We work intimately with professional athletes, stylists, and an exemplary team of writers and kick-ass multimedia producers. We also hire paid positions from within, so becoming part of this team is the first step to earning a spot with the Pro Trending team. Check out our social media and get a feel for the style of content you'll be creating. This job requires between 5 and 10 hours a week. There will be a clear and thorough training to help you lock in on our brand style, copy, and flavor. Consistency is key. Flexibility is respected. Job types: part-time. Pay primarily per post $20 plus. Job types: part-time, internship. Pay $10, $40 per hour. Schedule: day shift, evening shift, night shift. Weekend availability: weekends only. Experience: social media marketing, 1 year preferred. Writing skills: 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.